How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube application on your device. Tap three dots at top right corner from this home page of WhatsApp. Select setting from this drop-down menu box. Now scroll down. Choose Storage and Data. Scroll down and select Media Upload Quality and choose SD quality. It is slower to send and can be 6 times larger. Now tap the Save button. Now come back to this Settings section again. Tap Profile icon at top left corner and select any image from your gallery. Make sure it is the high resolution picture. After it's done, select the Done button at bottom right corner of the screen. And successfully you can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.